Happy Friday, everyone. Well, thanks to yesterday's cold front, today is going to be a cold one in the region. But the good news is it does look like a short-lived cool down. We do have a warming trend to talk about in your weekend forecast sponsored by NIPSCO, but let's get through the cold day first. And we're taking a look at 8 a.m. this morning. Temperatures in the low to mid 20s, but still breezy out there. Gusts around 20 miles per hour, so it's actually feeling like the low to mid teens. That's what you need to be prepared for as you head out the door. And don't look for temperatures to rise very much today with a cold air mass over us and mostly cloudy skies. Yeah, those are the ingredients to keep temperatures down. It honestly looks like we're only going to top out in the upper 20s in Lake Porter and LaPorte County, low 30s, Newton and Jasper County. But the good news this afternoon, no longer breezy. The winds are going to die down. Winds are only going to be around 10 miles per hour, so the wind chill factor going away. Now, despite the mostly cloudy skies, I do think we're going to stay dry during the day. However, for Friday evening plans, I do have to mention a snow chance coming back. But fortunately, it's not a big snow chance. Do not cancel your Friday evening plans, but beginning around 7 o'clock, isolated snow showers coming back. Looks like the best chance is probably going to be around 9 o'clock. And notice it's not a lot of snow. Notice it's the lightest shade of blue showing up and not everywhere. So not everybody is going to see snow this evening, but I do need to mention the chance. Don't be surprised if you're walking around this evening and you see flakes of snow flying around, some flurries, isolated snow showers. That is a possibility, but very minimal, very low impact. In fact, though the peak is at 9 o'clock, I think by 11 o'clock, the chance of snow going away. So as low impact of a snow event, if you even want to call it a snow event, as you could possibly have. And notice because of all the cloud cover that we're going to have this evening, notice the temperatures are still just hanging out in the upper 20s, low 30s, 11 o'clock tonight. All right, so now let's talk about some better news, the warmer temperatures. Look at high temperatures for tomorrow, back to normal for this time of year. Most of us, it looks like low 40s. We might see the mid 40s in the most southern part of the area. Kentland hitting 44. Do have to mention right next to the lake, maybe only topping out in the upper 30s. It looks like a mostly cloudy start to the day, but I do think cloud cover is going to be decreasing as we go through the day. Eventually mostly sunny skies, so most of the day partly cloudy. And not too much wind. We'll just call it a light breeze in the afternoon. Gusts around 15 miles per hour. Saturday night, I guess looking better than Friday night because there's no chance of snow, even though tonight's chance of snow is not big. And temperatures a little bit warmer. It looks like low temperatures only in the low 30s with mostly clear skies and no wind chill factor to worry about. Not much wind, just kind of hanging out 5 to 10 miles per hour. On Sunday, we've got a warm front lifting over us, so kind of a tricky temperature forecast. And some of the adjustment might need to be made here, but looking at the current model average, 55 in Kentland, 52 in Valparaiso, but maybe just 49 in Hammond and 43 in Michigan City. All depends on exactly how quickly the warm front moves in. The good news is that this warm front coming through without bringing us any rain. It's going to be a dry warm front, and it's not even going to bring us much wind. There's not going to be much wind during the day on Sunday. I mean, wind's just hanging out 5, 10 miles per hour. And I do think we're going to start the day mostly sunny. Eventually, skies probably becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon, but dry on Sunday, and certainly temperatures above normal, certainly warmer than Saturday. So I got to say, Sunday looking like a nice day. Now, late Sunday evening, got to mention the chance for showers coming back, and then a heads up for Monday morning. It looks like there's going to be a lot of rain over us ahead of our next cold front that looks to arrive Monday afternoon. So a heads up. It looks like, though we're just talking about rain, that Monday morning commute could be slowed down.